Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody acquired these labels that are pretty cool, but they need to change some of the ingredients and some of the servings and serving size and amounts. So right here he's got 29.6 milliliter. The only difference is the 30. But he wants to keep this same font, which is Arial and 15.287. He's got this typed out, it's Arial 24. This font doesn't matter what size it is. You're not gonna it's not gonna go in there and swap it out. It's just gonna go in there and find. So if we go to edit, find and find replace text. So it'll look like this when you open it, but then go right here to find and replace text and just put 29.6 and replace it with 30. And that's all it takes. Now, in this case, to make this work, and you can see these aren't, this isn't even a font anymore. This is thankfully a font, it's 29 points. To replace a 3-letter digit or a 3-number digit with a 2-number digit, you have to go and have center justified on it. And then we can type in 252 and replace it with 80, and it's going to put it, well, let's just prove the point in just a second. Let's back up here, and he's already got an indexing line there. Let's check, let's click on our number and move our indexing line to that X. And then let's replace it. Replace it, see it highlights what it found, and then it'll tell you to replace it. So look, it's still in the baseline and it's right in the middle of your font. It doesn't matter what you change. If you want to change this 1 to a 2, you know, it's going to find a 1 and replace it with 2. If you wanted to change that to 2 ounces. It's a pretty cool, pretty powerful program. You don't have to have any of this stuff written. You could just change it, you know, right there on the fly. The other question he had for me, he said he's starting to use Snap2 more and more. And if you go to Snap2, he had all these checked. I unchecked them. If you will have, I would suggest just keeping these checked, but that's just me. And then when you go to Tools, Save as Default, I'm not going to do it because I don't want to change it to his paid side. But if you have all this checked and press Save, every time you open up Corel Draw, it will be there. Anyway, hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.